This is crazy. We are stuck here in the mountains. Look at all this ice. And suddenly the road became a river. Good morning from Sevlievo. I'm here with Rumi and Alex, my good friends, the people of the horses, and this is their ranch. I had a great breakfast, the best vanitsa and the best yogurt you've ever tasted over here. Amazing. And now it's time to say goodbye, and I'm going south to the mountains. Bulgaria has three interesting mountains areas: the Pirin, the Rila, and the Rhodope. And this is where I'm going now. It's going to be the end of my trip soon, so it's a bit sad, but it's a bit happy that I could meet again with these lovely people. And don't forget, if you want to ride horses, this place is the place, and I will put a link up there so you can check it out. See you on the road. Good morning. Yes, it's time to say goodbye to our friends and go on. Our next destination is the south, but there's a good road that goes there, but of course I will take the long one. It will take us through the mountains here. It's a very bad road, I know. Was constructed in the 1970s or something like that. Not what much was left of it. We did it yesterday coming down. Now we will do it coming up because I don't want to go on the big roads where you have trucks and stuff. And yeah, this road will take us to Shipkal, and from there we will see. So David, here we go again. So it's a sunny day today. The temperatures here are 25 degrees. The time is 10:20. We are just now entering this old bumpy road we came through yesterday. This road was constructed in the 1970 and there were no maintenance workers here ever since. So basically it's a 50 years old road that was never maintained, and it's rather bumpy as far as I remember. But it's much more fun to take those small roads. Here's another pothole. Again, David and I found ourselves alone on this road. Nobody's coming here. What is this place? I think this is kind of a cement factory. Rather ugly. Let's get out of here. I don't know if you can see this. The GoPro is flattening, I guess, the terrain, but the asphalt is very cracky, and you have a lot of indentations and stuff like that, and it's not really even. So I'm just wiggling away. I can feel my rear tire playing. After sometimes you get used to it. I found out that when you come to a new country, it takes you a few days to get used to the atmosphere, to the vibe, and then everything looks different. While David and I are riding along this terrible world, that I'm sure that if it was built by the Romans 2000 years ago, it would last forever. It would look like new, but now it's just simply deteriorating. But I wanted to ask you again the question of the day, which is going to be, let's put something new into the equation of life. Meaning, what will you do if you would know that you can live forever? How would that change your life? Would you do something different? This is very interesting because, you know, we have this lifespan that we know we have to do this and to do that, and because things are coming to an end. Some people are more affected by it than others. But what would you do? Would you choose another life? Change anything? Write to us. Let us know. As David and I started the ascent to the Troyan Pass in the Central National Balkan Park, something started to change. Dark clouds started to accumulate above us, and the temperature dropped rapidly. I had only a few minutes to put on my rain gear before it started to rain on us. Well, I was thinking to myself, this is going to be another ride in the rain, but nothing prepared us to what was really coming. The rain gradually intensified, and suddenly large pieces of hail started to hit us hard from above. The road started to covered with ice, and the asphalt disappeared under a slashing river that threatened to wash us down. There was no way to keep going. We had to stop and wait. We tried to find a safe place to stop, where the water are shallower, and maybe find shelter from the hitting hail, but there was no such place for some long distance. Finally, I found a small spot that was only covered with hail and leaves, on which I could stop David and dismount safely. This is crazy. We are stuck here in the mountains. Look at all this ice. And suddenly the road became a river. Okay. Maybe we will have to wait here until all this will calm down. Only 1 hour later, as the hailstorm turned into a bothering rain only, and the ice on the road melted a bit, we could go on to the pass and down to the main road to Asenovgrad, to our hotel. Can you hear that? David and I, we are in the middle of sudden storm that jumped on us. Just as we were crossing the mountain pass, suddenly it started raining like crazy, and there was ice, and there was wind, and there was showers, just until we couldn't get along. The road became a river, so I had to stop, and we had to wait something like 1 hour in the rain until everything subsided and the ice melted. And now it seems like we have a little storm over here as well. Just up at the side just to rest a bit, but I think I will go on. We have 1 hour of riding to our final destination of the day. Hopefully we will make it. So far it was okay, quite an experience, I think. All right, David, let's go. It's raining. As usual, that is all for now. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and maybe leave a comment. I'll see you in the next episode.